A lot of people say experience is the best teacher, but most times it's better to learn from people's mistake instead of making that mistake yourself and then learning from it. So on this video, I'm going to be giving out, or rather revealing, common mistakes that can actually harm your channel and stop your channel from growing, so that you guys can learn from it and avoid those mistakes on your channel, so you can grow better and grow faster. And please, if you have any question at the end of the video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first mistake is sharing your videos to the wrong people, or rather the wrong places, like let me say WhatsApp for example, and so on. The reason why this is actually wrong is because when you share your videos, or rather you copy your video link and then you paste it on your WhatsApp group for people to come and watch, those people will probably come to your page and then they will watch your video for just a few seconds, or they will watch it halfway and then they will leave, because there won't be chance to watch that video to the end, because they are not actually interested in the video. They are just doing it to make you happy. So YouTube actually take note of this kind of stuff, because YouTube actually take note of audience retention. So when people are coming to your channel from your link and then they are watching your videos halfway or just watching few seconds, that shows YouTube that your video is not interesting, because that's how YouTube used to know if a video is interesting or not, so that they will know if they should push it out to more audience or they should not bother themselves to push it out to a larger audience. So if you are doing that, that's actually a very wrong thing to do, or rather the wrong way to go. And another reason why this is actually wrong to do is because when YouTube wants to share your videos to other people, they will look into the people that are watching your video and then the kind of videos that they like, to find out similar people like those people that are watching to show your videos to. So if you are just bringing out, or rather bringing in random people to your channel to come and watch your video, then that means YouTube will now be showing your videos to random people that might not even be interested in your video, because they are sharing that video to people similar to the ones that you brought in to watch the video. So that might actually affect your channel, because the people that they will start recommending your videos to will actually be people that are not also interested in your video, which means they will just scroll past your video and they won't watch your video. So the best thing to do is to upload your video, optimize your video, and allow YouTube to do their job. Let them push out your video to the right audience, so that when that people watch your video, they will enjoy the video, watch it probably to the end, and even subscribe to your channel. That's the right way to grow on YouTube. Now, the second mistake is building an invalid audience, or rather building a dead audience. And what I mean by this is a situation where you go ahead and buy, you buy subscribers because you are in a hurry. And these subscribers that you are buying, they're actually bots. They won't be able to watch your video, so you're actually wasting your money. So that's one situation. The second situation is where maybe you just take people's phone randomly and use it to subscribe to your channel. Yes, doing that is going to increase your channel number physically, or rather your subscribers number physically, but it's not going to help your channel, because number one, the subscribers that you bought, they are bots. They can't watch your videos when you upload a new video. So that's one thing. Let's keep that aside. Then the second issue now is that the people that you took their phone randomly and subscribe to your channel with it, they won't watch your video when you are to upload or when they are to get your notification, because they were not interested. You were the one that went to go and take their phone and subscribe to your channel. So that was another problem. And YouTube actually looks into this kind of thing, because if your own subscribers are not watching your video, then as far as YouTube is concerned, your video is not interesting. So if you are getting, let me say, 2 subscribers or 5 subscribers or 10 subscribers weekly from YouTube organically from your videos, then that's actually better. Just stick to that and keep growing organically and getting people that love your video to subscribe, because that's the right way to grow. Because when you are getting people that love your video subscribing to your channel, when you upload, they will always watch. YouTube will see this, that okay, the subscribers are watching, and then they will push it to a larger audience. So that's the right way to go. The third mistake that can actually affect your channel is being inconsistent. What I mean is a situation where you upload today and then the next time you upload again, your channel is 2 weeks later. That's what I actually mean. So if you're actually doing that, your channel is going to be stuck at a point. You won't be able to grow fast. So the right way to go is to be consistent. Keep bringing in valuable videos on YouTube. Keep uploading. And the more you keep uploading, is the more you'll be getting chances of getting subscribers randomly and getting views coming from your different videos that are providing value. So always make sure that you try your best to be consistent and keep uploading on a steady pace. You can do it 3 times a week, or you can do it daily, any one of your choice. Just make sure that you keep posting and keep bringing in value here on YouTube, and you're definitely going to start getting subscribers sooner or later. Now, another thing that can affect your channel is posting randomly, or rather posting in a confused manner. And what I mean by this is a situation where today you upload a video about YouTube tips, tomorrow you upload a video about beauty products, then next tomorrow you will now upload a video about gaming. So that this is actually going to be confused, and it's going to keep your channel at a point. And the reason why it's going to be like that is because it's going to start making, you know, your subscribers to unsubscribe from your channel, because different people, they subscribe to your channel for different reasons. So let me give you an example. Let me say someone subscribe to your channel for YouTube tips because they are trying to grow their channel, so they want to be seeing your videos, your YouTube tips videos. That's why they subscribe. So after they subscribe, they came to check their phone someday and you uploaded, and all of a sudden they are seeing you on YouTube, you are playing game and having fun. That's not the reason why they subscribe to your channel. So that is actually a fast way to lose a subscriber. So the right thing to do is to keep your videos connected and keep them similar, so that your viewers, or rather your subscribers, they will keep, you know, bench watching your videos. Like if they are to watch one video and they are to see your similar video below, that video will be connected to the one that they are watching, and before you know it, somebody will come to your channel to watch one video, they will end up watching like 5 videos because everything is connected. So that's actually the right way to go, so your channel can grow faster and grow better. Now, the last thing that can keep you stuck on YouTube is when you are not doing research and constantly building your skills, or rather sharpening your skills. And these skills that I'm talking about is your skills like your ability to create a good thumbnail, your ability to optimize your videos for search, and, you know, different type of abilities, like let me say your ability to, you know, hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video intro. You know, those kind of skills are things that as a YouTuber you need to keep sharpening on a daily basis, so that you keep getting better and better, and before you know it, your channel is going to blow up. Because a lot of people, when they watch your videos, they will just have this vibe that, okay, this guy is really good, this guy is a pro. When they see your thumbnail, they won't even be able to like scroll past your thumbnail because your thumbnail is looking professional, so they want to watch your video. So these are things that you need to be doing as a YouTuber. You need to keep upgrading your skills, sharpening your skills, so that you keep getting better and better per each video that you put out there. So that's something that you should always do, so that you can get better on YouTube and, you know, grow faster and get monetized and start making this money on YouTube. If you do not know on how to properly optimize your video and add keywords to your video to increase your chances of getting better views, then I'll suggest that you watch this video to learn on how to do that easily, because on that video I fully explain on how to optimize your video and, you know, add keywords to your video, so it's going to be optimized for search, so you can be getting better views. So I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And at the end of my video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because, you know, we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.